Now being loaded, so as the stablemate. Olajuwon set to go now, race number 5. And they're off. Olajuwon from the outside draws for your lead. Blue material, then moving up by the rail to grab the lead is Win Lane. In between runners, Elusive Cat, then comes Winning Bid, followed by Olajuwon on the outside. Blue material by the rail, then followed by Jacqueline's Diamond. My Wife Knows All, and Sabuhin is running in behind them, heading towards the half-mile pole. This one high-balling in front, and it's Win Lane running in second. Elusive Cat. Olajuwon now moving up on the outside. Winning Bid. Blue material comes next. My Wife Knows All as they rounded a 600. Win Lane leading the field. Olajuwon now being thrown up the challenge on the outside. Win Lane, Olajuwon is on the outside. Winning Bid, Win Lane is by the rail. It's now Win Lane by the rail. Olajuwon on the outside. Win Lane, Olajuwon running on the outside. Blue material arriving at the race 2 and Winning Bid. It's now Olajuwon. Winning Lane is by the rail. Win Lane, Olajuwon, Blue material rushing up on the outside. It's now Blue material doing the better. Second, Winning Bid, Win Lane, close between Jacqueline's Diamond and My Wife Knows All.